In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Odoo account. Whether you're a first-time user or someone who works in Odoo every day, accessing your dashboard quickly is the very first step to using its full suite of powerful business apps. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your Odoo login page. This is a unique link provided by your company's administrator or IT team, and it takes you directly to the correct login screen. Always make sure you're on the right page to avoid confusion or security issues. Once you're there, enter your email or username. Some accounts, especially admin profiles, may use a specific username such as the word admin, so be sure to use the exact login details assigned to you. After that, type in your password. If you ever forget it, you can simply click the reset option and follow the instructions sent to your email. If your account uses two-factor authentication, you will see a prompt asking for a verification code. This code is usually sent to your registered mobile device or email. Keep your device nearby, enter the code as soon as you receive it, and you will pass the security check. When everything is entered correctly, click the login button. You will be taken straight into your Odoo dashboard where all of your apps, modules and tools are organized and ready for work. And that's all there is to it. A quick and simple way to log into your Odoo account. Make sure to always keep your passwords secure and never share verification codes with anyone. If you need help at any point, your company's support team can guide you. Enjoy using Odoo and have a productive day.